Hi everyone, welcome to Trigonometry. Today we explore lesson 7, applications of trigonometry in solving right triangles. Number 1, a hunter climbs 70 feet above the ground of a tall tree to escape an angry animal. The hunter sees the animal chilling and circling at an angle 30 degrees below the horizon. The angle below the horizon is also known as the angle of depression. How far is the hunter from the animal? Let's do some sketch. So we have the hunter. It's on top of a tree. And the tree is 70 feet. We have no idea how far the hunter is from the animal. It's called X there. Well, but then we know this is the animal. And we want to figure out the distance between the hunter and the animal, which is this distance D. Now, what we know here is that we know we have an angle of depression. This angle is 30 degrees. Using congruent angle, and this angle is also 30 degrees. There's a relation between the 30-degree angle, 70 and D, and that is psi. Psi of 30 degrees is 70 over D. We know psi of 30 degrees is just 1 over 2, 70 over D. So D is 2 times 70, which is 140 feet. Slick. Let's do another example. Example 2. To find the height of a tree, a student stands 30 feet from its base. The student measures the angle above the horizon or the angle of elevation from a point A to the top of the tree to be 70 degrees. What is the height of the tree? So here comes the tree. No idea how tall it is. This is the base of the trees. Here comes the student. It's 30 feet from the base. Student measured the angle above the horizon. So it's this angle right here to be 70 degrees. This is the right triangle. The height of the tree is h. We can figure out the h because there's a relation between 70-degree angle h and 30 feet. The relation is tangent of 70 degrees is h over 30. So it means h is 30, tangent of 70 degrees. Well, for tangent of 70 degrees, it is best to use the technology. We've been using there's no scientific calculator, so let's use it. Here comes 30. Tangent of 70. Okay, so they give us this number here. We need to switch the mode to degree. Get the correct answer. 82.42 feet. Remember, use the mode as appropriate with the angle. If the angle is in degree, use degree. If the angle is in radian, use radian. H 82.42 feet. Let's move on to example 3. To find the height of a building surrounded by a fence, a student measures the angle of elevation from point A to the top of the building to be 474.2 degrees. The student walks 35 feet from point A to point B and measures the angle of elevation to be 51.8 degrees. What is the height of the building? Let's do a sketch here. Here come a building. It's the tall building. Unfortunately, it has the fencing around. Cannot climb over. So there must be another way to measure it. And the student used a point A. Measure the angle of elevation to be 74.2 degrees and walk to a point B. Measure the angle of elevation to the top of the building to be 51.8 degrees. And the distance here is from point A to point B, 35. Okay, so this is all we know. How do we figure out the height of the building? H. If you look closely, there's a smaller triangle and a bigger right triangle. So we can use the distance from the base of the building to the point A to be X and get two tangent equation. The first equation is tangent of 74.2 degrees is h over x. The second equation is tangent of 51.8 degrees is h over x plus 35. From the first equation, we can solve for x. From here, you see that x is h over tangent of 74.2 degrees. So once we solve for x, we're going to sub x in here. Now we have tangent of 51.8 degrees equal h divided by h over tangent of 74.2 degrees plus 35. Cross multiply and distribute. We get tangent of 51.8 degrees over tangent of 74.2 degrees times h plus 35 times tangent 51.8 degrees. This is h. Move h to one side of the equation and factor it out. Then we have h1 minus tangent of 51.8 degrees over tangent of 74.2 degrees It is equal to 35 tangent of 51.8 degree, and divide both sides by the coefficient of h. So we have h is 35 tangent of 51.8 degree over 1 minus tangent of 51.8 degree over tangent of 74.2 degree, and carefully put this in the calculator. I'll show you how to put in the calculator. Of course, we are using a decimal calculator. Most in degrees, so make sure the degree is selected. And let's punch it in. 35 tangent of 51.8 divide by 1 minus tangent of 51.8 divide by tangent of 74.2. Yay! Look at this trend. 69.45. Pretty amazing. Approximately 69.45 feet. Thank you for watching. I hope you find the content useful. Please like, subscribe to help the channel grow. I will see you in the next video.